Everyone, I'm Hema Sati Sharma, and student we are discussing the chapter called Sound for class 8th. First of all, we'll know what is sound. So sound, as we know, is a kind of energy. Like heat energy, light energy, potential energy, and kinetic energy. So we know that there are various kinds of energy like heat energy, light energy. Similar way, sound is also a form of energy. What does sound cause? It causes sensation of hearing in our ears. So likewise, light is also energy and it causes sense of vision. Sound is basically is an energy which is causing sense of hearing, and it is received by our ears. So sound helps in communicating with each other. So I am able to explain you this chapter through the sound. Now we'll come to the fact how the sound is produced. So sound is produced whenever there is a vibration in any object. So whenever there is a vibration, sound will be produced. So the motion of material or object causes vibration. So you must have observed if you in your assembly, if the drum is beaten, so what is happening? Motion of the stick is striking on the object, and the membrane of the drum is start moving, and it causes vibration. So vibration is a kind of rapid to and fro motion of an object at a central position. So basically vibration is what? It is a kind of oscillation which we have studied in class 7 as well. But whenever this oscillation is very fast or it is very rapid, so it is called a vibration. So basically vibration is moving to and fro of a motion of an object around a central position. So vibration is a special kind of oscillation. So here in this picture you can see when we hit the drum, membrane of the drum vibrates and it produces sound. When we play guitar and we vibrate the string starts moving in to and fro directions. So it produces vibration. If you see a tuning fork, when you move the tuning fork, this prong starts vibrating, and this vibration produces sound. Similarly, in these kind of music instruments like sitar, guitar, flute, and tabla, all these are producing sounds because of the vibration. If you stretch a rubber band and if you pluck it, it will vibrate and it will produce sounds. In similar way, musical instruments like flute, tabla, harmonium, guitar also produces sound because of vibration. In your daily life, if you have beaten a spoon on a plate, this plate starts vibrating and therefore the sound is produced. Now, how the sound is produced by humans? So we know that sound is produced whenever there is a vibration. So humans are not vibrating. So how the sound is produced in humans? So in humans, sound is produced because of the vibration of the voice box or larynx, which is present inside the throat. So here you can see inside the throat there is a voice box, or it is called larynx, and here the two membranes are stretched. Whenever air passes through this gap, what will happen? These membranes starts vibrating and it produces sound. So this voice box or larynx is situated at the upper end of the windpipe, and the two stretched membranes, as I showed you, this is the upper part of the windpipe, and this is the structure or sketch of the larynx, and these are the two stretched membranes, and between these two stretched membrane there is a gap from which air can be passed. So two stretched membrane are called vocal cords, and these are attached in larynx with a narrow slit between them for passing of the air. Now muscle attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, this tightening of cords or loosing of cord can produce different type or quality of voice. So how sound is produced by humans? So here you see these are the this is the sketch of larynx, these are the vocal cords, and this is the gap. So whenever air is passing through this air, these cords starts vibrating, and then the sound is produced. So you see, if we are not if I'm not speaking also, and while I am sleeping, and if I take breath through, or if I inhale through my mouth, what will happen? I'll be snoring and some sound will be coming out. Why is it so? Though I'm not speaking, because the air is passing through the vocal cords. Now, propagation of sound we'll be discussing in our next lecture. Thank you so much.